Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation as well as how to say it in English the name of this Italian-filled donut that is eaten as a snack food and dessert. How do you go about pronouncing it? In Italian, in Italy, this would be said as bombolone. You do want to stress on the third syllable, the lo syllable. Bombolone, 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 but it'd be fine in English to say it as bombolone, bombolone, not bombolone, bombolone. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words from Italian, food names, dishes names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.